Hey, how's it going, everybody? Wanted to do a quick video. Say hey.
Hey.
Wanted to do a video on some mud trucks. We got some rain here up in PA, and I've been working on building some trucks and stuff. So that's the new mud van. Got the axial rift, and then that's the TRX4 mud power wagon. And then I'm working on printing a battery tray right now. This is a K5 Blazer that I'm working on right now, and it's fully lit up and everything. It's a K5 Blazer on an SCX 10.2 chassis with the so 10.2 chassis, right? Semi-high clearance length. Big old J concept Sling King tires. And then what I did was I got the TRX4 inner fenders, body mounts, bumpers, and running board pieces with the steps all fit up to a 10.2 chassis. Let's see. I was trying to find where it says axial on the chassis, but I can't find it. But other than that, 3-gear axial trans, and then I've put a gigantic fuse brushless system in it. Power system, power box, or sound box. I did custom printed lights. So I got in the mood for that, and then I was thinking, you know what? Oakland wants to go outside and do RC trucks all the time, so why not get some muddy? So he's gonna run the van, right? You're running the van?
Mm-hmm.
So he's gonna run the van, and then I'm gonna play with the other two. Eventually, once the K5 gets built up, I'm gonna run it as well. So, yep, I'm gonna get everything outside, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so we're back. Got everything. Oakland's already flipped the mud van.
It's flipped over.
There we go. Good morning.
My puppy just did a
Front flip.
no. Daddy, that's good. That's called a mud truck.
Yeah. You can take the van in there, just don't go super deep, okay? Yeah. Don't go keep going. You can go out some. Go. Is that cool or what? Hey, honey. You can look. Come over here and play in this edge over here. Play over where I'm at. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yep. Recovery. Hang on. No, your boots aren't deep enough, or your boots aren't tall enough. Daddy's are. Make sure you're driving. Looks like I need to work on the top heaviness of this one.
Daddy,
Oaklens is
This,
real top heavy, and
and there's some grass on there.
which, I mean, some axle weight or something will help. I think I need to limit the shocks on it as well, because it's got, here, back it up, reverse it, reverse. All right, stop. So right now, it's got a ton of travel, which is cool, but it also doesn't make it very stable. So.
Yours is an animal, Dad. No, yours is
Mine's an animal.
You just did?
Oh.
Look like ours both with that.
Mm-hmm.
One's right there hiding in the weeds. One's right there hiding in the weeds.
Oh, I got in my boots. Oh, yep. Oaklens is. Meme got you all wet. Maze, go lay down. Oaklens was hidden.
Okay, so I back.
Maze knocked Oakland down, and you know, broke my DX5. So I got Oakland's controller fixed now. I got Nala and Nova put up. Maze, go lay down. Let me see your controller, buddy. So I just pretty much had to just kind of hot glue the controller back together because they broke the screw mounts. So sucks, but it is what it is. Oh. Okay, go ahead. Mm-hmm. Sorry, I was trying to trim out my remote a little bit because it was turning right a little bit. Oh, my bad. Huh? Do you like the mega van? Don't hit that super hard, dude. Oh, good job. Hey, let's come over here. Oh, that was pretty cool. Watch out, Sissy. It's okay, baby. Oakland, stop hitting her. Uh-uh. You tell her to move, or you can. It's okay, baby. Oaklens van. Dropped a link, as you can see. Not a big deal. The upper link mount on this is, or the servo and axle mount, I think is printed. I'm gonna redo it because you can't get good purchase inside the links for the screws, or inside the mount for the screws. So yeah, I'm gonna fix that. But I gave him the, where's the other one?
I find it.
But I got the rift out. Whoa! Hide and seek in the bush. What, baby? Baby, the trampoline's wet right now. Rift is currently on for us. Ugh. Oh. Oh. Sissy, can you help me? I need recovery, Sissy. It's over here.
There's a spider right there.
It's alright, it ain't gonna bother you.
Kill it.
It's okay, it's not gonna bother you.
Kill it.
Flip it over. I'm not gonna mess with it. Flip it over. Oh, flip it over.
That's still alive.
Here, use your foot. I get it. Thank you. It's scary. I really need to get a thumb thing on this, because right now I'm driving just like that. Want to take him into the water? Well, I'm already in the water, dude. Hang on.
I win.
Yeah, I flipped over.
It was swimming race versus RC truck race. What? Does mine want to do it? God, I want to tip you.
Oh. I got caught in the thing. Definitely sounds like this gearing's a little too tight on this, which I'll address. Go ahead. Hit it full throttle. Whoa. All right, now I have a question. I want to know.
I'm stuck, Daddy. I'm stuck.
You can get out. Uh-oh. All right, you're gonna see something really cool.
Yeah.
We're gonna see if this can go across the water. What do you think about that? Well, it got part of the way there, huh?
Yeah, but you can't see one part.
Thank you for using your manners with her. All right. Well, for anybody wondering, a rift can partially go across the water.
Daddy, let's see if mine can do better. Can mine do better? Let's see. Better there? Let's see.
Go ahead. A little bit.
I'm better like this. Yeah. Okay, it's just maybe worse.
Oh, Oakland flipped over.
Yeah.
Really glad I got my mud boots on.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I have a one myself.
Well,
Hey, Bill. I'm trying to get you. That ain't really not good.
one issue I am definitely noticing is flotation. You in the water too? Yeah. Found a little friendly snake while we were out here. Well, this won't focus, I don't know. But it's a little gardener snake. It's been injured at some point, but yeah. Here, you want to pet it? Pet its body.
Then look, there's a wolf side on there.
Yeah.
I don't see it move.
All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed some of the mud content, I guess. I definitely want to get a mud hole dedicated for these trucks because why not? I have them. I've built a couple more of them recently. And the pond is good, but you know, with a dedicated area, I can control it a lot better, control the mud, control the water, all that. So that being said, here's one more look. CRX4, Dodge, servo on axle, Fusion, I don't remember, 2300 maybe. Big old crush locked wheels and tires, axial rift, big old mudslingers, and then the mega van with some king slings on it. This thing did absolutely amazing. I've never driven it, so Oakland got the first drive, and the only thing with him, I mean, you got to think about it. He's about to be 5 in a couple days, and he beat the absolute heck out of this thing, and the only thing that pulled out was a screw that broke because of the 3D printed mount. So if I get a 3D printed, or I get an actual mount for that, it'll be good to go. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.